If you notice your parents' credit score dropping, that may be a sign that they have Alzheimer's or dementia, and you should start taking steps to engage in estate planning. Johns Hopkins did a study. They studied over 80,000 Americans, and they've noticed that 6 years in advance of a diagnosis of Alzheimer's or dementia, that these people started missing bill payments. So it's amazing that when you start missing bill payments and something slips, you start repeating yourself and you start noticing this type of behavior with your loved ones, the drop in the credit report, that's an indicator of potentially dementia and Alzheimer's before a physician diagnoses it. So why is this important and a tie into estate planning? Because by the time there is an Alzheimer's or dementia diagnosis, it may become too late to execute certain super important documents like powers of attorneys, healthcare proxies, trusts. So if and when you start noticing these slippings of your loved ones in the sense that they stop paying bills or their credit score drops, be mindful and aware that that might actually be a signal that they may, God forbid, be diagnosed with Alzheimer's and dementia, and make sure that you have a conversation with them about the importance of taking steps to do at least the basics of estate planning, like a power of attorney, so that if it does become imperative to take drastic measures to, say, do Medicaid planning, that you'll be able to do that for them as their agent on the power of attorney. Because once that capacity is lost, it's too late for them, and you'd have to end up in court with a guardianship proceeding that would take months and thousands of dollars.